Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing all about compost bins. And so you might recognize this compost bin. It's an old wheelie bin, and we drilled loads of holes in it, as you can see, with a drill. We did this about a year ago, well, nearly a year ago, which is in a previous video, which I'll link in the description below if you want to go check that out. But we've got two new compost bins, which were donated to my donated by my neighbours, by my nan and granddad's neighbours, to my nan and granddad, and they donated them to us. There's there on the other one, but there's a flap. But basically, you get the compost out of there, but we can show you the actual flap. So this is what it looks like. And all you in theory have to do is, well, it comes out apparently. We might have to figure out some way of, maybe if it just stays at that, you could, yeah, we'll figure something out to be able to make sure we might have to just pop it over at every time and then put it back in. So we're going to be transferring all our compost, or all our like kind of food scraps and stuff into the new ones. So this is an actual sort of a proper compost bin now, and it's about 3/4 of the way full, so about half. And so things that can probably go onto your compost bin is any food scraps, or like bits of like the onion outside shell, and egg shells, and anything along the lines of that. So other things that you can put in there is the inside of tea bags. If you cut the tea bags open, this is what you get, which we've done. And any food scraps, like I said, which we've got some here as well, and grass clippings, anything along the lines of that. So I'm just gonna put this in because we've got it. So I don't know. And we've also got some of this. So I'm breaking it down quite a bit just so we get compost quicker. But this is pretty all fine. And if I haven't mentioned it already, you can also do eggshells if you want. Don't have to, but you can. So basically, any food scraps that aren't meat consistent is what you can put in there. And all of this is just small enough that it's eggshells and stuff. Right, so Anna's gonna go turn the water on, and we'll be back in a second to water this all in. Okay, so we're gonna put some old compost in here, and the old compost will just, the nutrients from all the stuff will just recharge the old soil. Right, so that's in there, and we're gonna just water it now. Right, so that's it for watering. So as the height of the stack increases, the temperature will increase, the worms will get attracted, and that means it will break down quicker. So we're going to be filling this up quite a bit. So I'm just putting this on. But that's going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you do like, share and subscribe, and as always hit that notification bell. But there's a video down here, go click it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Ready? When it goes down to the bottom. Go for the wheel or something. Or...
I can't bring on that far.
Right, ready? You can if I can. Ready?
Yeah.